Look who's been waiting patiently as we've been collecting parts. The Fast and Furious Eclipse build has taken longer than we'd like, but it's because some of the parts are incredibly difficult to find. Fortunately, some of the key parts are still available. We have a screen-accurate valve cover. It's made by a gentleman named Jonathan Tavera. He does this mirror powder coat finish. It turned out beautiful. He pays particular attention to the lettering. It is perfectly screen-accurate, and if you have that, you better have the spark plug wires. They are made by a company called OBX. OBX's slogan is "Shit is good," so you know they're legit. The intake's made by InGen. Took about 2 weeks to get here. Done and done. Now the header, that, if I remember correctly, was made by Hotshot, which I'm pretty sure is a sub-company of XS Power. Well, it's no longer available. We got a suitable facsimile. We're gonna ceramic coat it. It's gonna look the role and play the part. The headlights, these are the wrong ones anyway. As you can see, they're trash. We picked up a set of aftermarket 97 to 99s, which are the accurate ones. It's got the straight cut here. We had to go aftermarket because the original Mitsubishi units, they're long gone. Let's go ahead and move over to the interior. We have the correct Sparco Torino seats in the correct color, and they're near perfect. All we have to do is clean them up, so we scored on that. That's where the good news ends. We need everything else. We need the Foliatech shift knob, the Foliatech pedal covers, the Alpine head unit, Sparco steering wheel. Are you noticing a trend here? We need the Sparco harnesses, the plethora of gauges that have to fill this instrument panel, the NOS. I could go on and on and on, but rather than that, let's move outside where we can get more motivated. You may remember from the first video, our look-alike body kit, honestly, it looked a lot like garbage. Why would I leave without pants and underwear? Like, okay, I leave without underwear, but I got pants. I leave without pants, but hey, I got underwear. Why would I leave without both? Right? That's like the kind of dreams I have. And it's like, you know, I'm arguing with myself there, standing at the podium like, who does this? It's going to take a ton of man hours to perfect it. If you have an original, authentic RoboCar body kit, please let us know. We'd love to pry it away from your hands. What we do have, two big parts of this build, one being right here. It is the tree topper. It is the shopping cart APR wing. This came our way from Gabriel of the Furious Garage. That guy's got one of the largest Fast and Furious movie car collections probably on the planet. You should go check him out if you haven't already. Gabriel, the Furious Garage. Thank you for this. It's perfect. Last but not least, what you've all been waiting for. These are pure gold. 18 by 7.5, 42 offset, 5 by 114.3. Even got the center caps. Can't believe I'm holding this in my hands right now. Big thanks to Chris Payne. He's a friend of Craig's. He's putting together a Civic Heist build. He caught wind that we were building this car with Devin for charity, and he wanted to make a contribution. Pow! The Fast and Furious Eclipse build is pretty important. It's a collaboration between Just Driven and Devin. Devin's effort is to provide companion service dogs to veterans suffering from PTSD. We're going to have more details in a future video about this car, so please stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, share it with a friend. Share it with a complete stranger. We appreciate it. Thank you. Catch you on the next one.